First, find some baskets. I found these white storage baskets at Target and they were super cheap. Number 2, roll up your towels. It takes up less space and it's easy to grab one without ruining your pile. I rolled up the hand towels and placed them vertically to take up less space. I then folded the washcloths and the white pillowcases. Step 3, categorize your smaller items. So at my eye level, I have my most frequently used bathroom items. On the 4th shelf, I made a basket for my heating pad and massagers. Then I have my travel-sized bathroom toiletries. On this last shelf, I have my least frequently used items. Since I didn't have another shelf, I used 2 taller baskets for the ground for a cleaner look. On the left, I put all of our extras like toothbrushes, makeup sponges, and body soap. On the right, I organized all of the cleaning products that I use when I clean the bathroom.